Hello everyone, welcome to the Bailiwick Academy. I'm James Magos, aka Jimbo de Panadero. For this class, I'm gonna teach you how to make Potap Cebu. Basically, ang otap is a multi-layers of dough na ito toast natin and then dinidip to sa sugar crystals.